This is Toyota Prius 2014. Never come in here before. They coming from somewhere else. Got 312,000 miles. That's a lot of miles. Got a misfire, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. Got an engine cooling code. Okay. This is the fuel injector clean kit. You can also test the fuel injector. Okay, we have this can here. It's called gun out. You use this can. I found out this can is the best to clean the fuel injector. Okay, so the fuel injector. Okay, this right here. You lay on the top. You use the positive white. You want to plug it in here, right? And the negative, you want to plug it in here. Okay, both plug it in, and you use this tool. See that hole right there, right? All you do is just put it like this, press it in, and just turn it that way. You make sure you use your finger and hold it like this. And the tool, you press on pulse first before you put it down on the can and push it down. Okay, watch this. Look. See the gasoline spray on my hand? Look. That's it.